Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Albie here, and I'm excited to be back sharing with you a new e-design. I hope you guys enjoy this one, so sit back, relax, and stay tuned. Inspired by beauty YouTubers Tati Westbrook and Desi Perkins, this new client, a makeup artist, wanted a beauty room that was chic, glamorous, but a little bit casual. And so I put together a mood board featuring soft colors, feminine touches, and a lot of metallic accents. And then we went over just some must-haves, such as a seating area, 2 desks for work and for makeup, lots and lots of storage for her collection, and a way to close off this opening. I decided to do that with a sliding door. We discussed a few decor options, and then we were able to finalize everything and jump right into the shopping phase. Then from there, we put together the final shopping list, mixing a little bit of casual and a little bit of glam. This list was then the catalyst for putting together the rendering preview, basically our virtual walkthrough of what the space would look like and what she could expect in her final design. This was a design that meant actually a whole lot to me because she found me through my very first e-design that I shared with you guys on YouTube, which was also a beauty room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again for stopping by. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.